Why my zero-turn mower won't start. 5 superb facts that you should know about it. Why my zero-turn mower won't start. In your zero-turn, you have a faulty spark plug. If your zero-turn mower won't start, it's possible that your spark plug is faulty. There is no gas in the tank. Fuel pump failure on zero-turn. A fuel pump is responsible for delivering gasoline to the carburetor. The gasoline pump has an input and outlet port where fuel enters and leaves the pump. A third port is attached to a fitting off the crankcase, which generates the pressure required for the pump to work. Your zero-turn's carburetor is dirty. The carburetor is necessary for regulating the quantity of fuel and air mixture needed for combustion. When your carburetor becomes dusty or clogged, it is no longer able to manage this mixture, leading your lawnmower to not start or to operate poorly when it does start. In zero-turn, the battery is dead. A dead battery might be caused by a faulty battery that will not retain a charge, faulty connections, or corroded terminals.